So this is live stream 44. I'm just going to take a
Order
long here
submitted.
on gold if I get filled. Let's see. I'm not sure if I'm going to be filled here.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm filled on gold. Let's see. 4.5. Seems that 55.4. And so we've had prices come down, bit of a double bottom here, holding back above that holding back above that 200, well not, but coming to that 200 there. So price is coming into the open here. Let's see where that is. 55.4. Interesting. Look to see if we get this 55.4. I'm not sure if we will. We do have that bit of a double top there. 55. You know what? Let's see. Coming into the open here, 11 seconds to go. Just gonna take that.
Order filled.
It's going to take it. Us coming into the open. I suppose I could have held on, but look to see what we do on these other indexes. RTY still blasting to the upside, and Q's pulled back a bit. Oil's pulled back a little bit. We're having ZN head higher. Let's see. I need to change something here. Close that window. Okay, so this window, this window. Okay. So let's say market is currently up from the close, so got the on NQ anyway. Where's the level? I don't have the level marked on this chart. Goodness me. 38.25. Should have templates load. Okay, so seeing prices pull back here for VWAP. Got the 200 beneath us. Also got that 297.25 level. Wow, RTY has gone through that 2100 level that we're talking about. 2100. So NQ is pulling back, but RTY is heading higher. Let's see. Bit of a consolidation upwards on oil. ES is pulling back, not as much as NQ. Wow, NQ's flying to the downside. NQ's really flying to the downside here. While RTY has got a strong move to the upside. GC, which is our gold, seems to want to head higher here. NQ's pulling back a little bit. Taking a short here would be a little bit risky. Oh, oil is heading higher. Goodness me, wow. It's taking up most of the range. I would want to short it all the way down to this level, but this market's just moving. Hold on a second here. Oh my word, I should have been short. I just realized, no I shouldn't. No, I shouldn't have been. So, seeing this big move here. Okay, so there's a short right there, sell stop limit.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
It's on filled. Okay, let's see.
Target filled.
Been filled on that. The level I should be looking for is 262, but I don't like the fact that we took up all of the range with these two candles. Not a fan of that, so took profits quickly there. It was a true setup, but it's just too much on these two candles. We had 73 points of movement, so was not a fan. ZN still heading higher. RTY is pulling back a little bit. RTY seems to be relatively stronger than our NQ. ES, so ES sell for a short. Missed that. ES is more correlated with NQ. GC gold is coming back a little bit. Go over to GC chart. Where is it? GC. You can see here it's coming back a bit. Let's take our executions off. Let's move that to the end. There's our NQ, RTY, ZN, put that there. CL, put that there. Okay, so CL headed above 87, pulling back a little bit. Wow, GC. Huh, GC would have, let's see, I think it was 55.4, went to 54.8, pulled back. The original, why is it not showing on here? Let's get it on there. So I got out at 52, originally I was looking for 55.4. On coming into the open, I didn't want to take the chance. So was heading higher. The reason I didn't want to take the oil trade was because of this level. I was a little bit concerned about that 86.66. Of course, the market's gone higher since then. RTY is coming back a little bit here. NQ, I did mention that I was concerned about taking up most of the range. Again, there is that level around 62, but this 73 point move to the downside, I didn't want part of it, to be honest. May still of course head down towards that 62, but strong move like that into these areas where we've seen buying, thought we could see a potential bounce. 45 points of buying right there. Well, we saw this head all the way up to there, so 84 points of buying from there. So of course this market could turn around and head all the way down to that 62, which it looks like it's going to. RTY still relatively strong. Yeah, there we go, going down to that 62. So I got out at, was at 80. So definitely from entry of 87 all the way down to 62, that's a very good move. Yeah, very good. Yeah, there we go, to 62. So if I would have took that trade, probably would have been done for the day. But that's just how it is sometimes. That's just how it is. So currently down 39 points on the day on NQ. Current range is still 125. Looks like we're going to should be about to extend the range here as we test the lows. Testing the lows. Yep, we just extended the range as we broke the lows. Current lows of day includes the overnight sessions, European sessions, so on. So seeing this continuation here to the downside, followed through with ES, RTY had relative strength, GC is pulling back, so GC is not following through as of yet. CL's pulling back. ZN. How does this work again? Is it? Can't quite remember with ZN whether it's higher interest rates means the prices go down or lower interest rates. I can't quite remember. But it's going higher. Have a look at the VIX. VIX is in sell zone, neutral to sell. It's turned around here, neutral to sell. So VIX is in a sell zone. So further supporting the downside move on NQ. Did I get alert? No, we wouldn't have got alert. Let's see. In terms of alerts, seeing that retest of 62 here from beneath on NQ. There we go. So we headed as low as 36 or so. Seeing this pullback above 62. Seen a bullish move here on RTY, GC. Just seen a pullback here from that the VWAP. I might take that GC trade actually. Seeing CL pullback here. What do you think about taking this GC trade? Seeing this pullback to the VWAP and the 200 period. Seeing buyers come in here on GC, which is our gold. I'm not sure yet. Seeing that strong selling here on oil. Really strong buying here on NQ. Current range 134 points. Currently at 82, 83, looking for that move back up to 97 on NQ. Right up to 97 here. Certainly feels tempting to get in just to look for that move. Certainly does feel tempting. So potentially RTY long. Not a fan of how GC is looking at the moment. More strong selling on CL and Q. Strong move from that 62. 86. Wow, 87. Do seem poised to head to that 97. Certainly tempting.
Order submitted.
Oh, no. Try to get in at 90 there.
Order submitted.
So I'm in at 90. Looking for that move up to 97. Looks poised to head up there. This could be a FOMO trade which becomes costly. Certainly could be. It's pulled back quite a bit. So that GC trade didn't quite set up. Let's see, RTY potentially. Let's see, RTY. Let's see, break these highs here.
Order submitted.
Let's see. With gold. Let's see what happened here. Okay, gold potentially along above the highs. Stop limit.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order filled.
So I'm in on gold. Let's see what the level is on gold. I'm looking to get out at 60.3 on gold. 60.3.
Order submitted.
Get out at 40.2. Probably can get out before that actually.
Order submitted.
Go back to NQ. Really trying to see this move up to 97.25 on NQ. Really trying to see this move up to 97.25.
Order filled.
So that's like 7 points. Goodness me. So we got to 94. As you can see, terrible risk reward. Let's see. Oh my. So I was triggered in RTY as well. Yes, I was. Okay. So I was triggered in RTY. The stop is down at 84.1. 84.1.
Order submitted.
The target would be 107.3. 107.3.
Order submitted.
Okay. So
Order
I should
filled.
be triggered there on NQ. Target was hit. So trigger was hit on NQ. So NQ is going up now. RTY is trading the opposite. Let's see, GC. What was that? What was that alert? Oh, that was the NQ alert. GC not in our favor at the moment. RTY clearly not in our favor. Getting ready to close this RTY for a loss. Getting ready to close it for a loss here. So get to that level, I'll be out. Looks like it.
Order
There we
filled.
go. So I'm out of RTY for a
Order
loss.
cancelled.
GC. Oh, there it is. GC's out for a loss as well.
Order filled.
Out of GC for a loss. Problem with short on RTY. Got a level here around 89. 89.5. 89.5. So RTY is coming down here. GC. RTY. So we were up, and of course, now we're down on the day. Nothing to worry about as yet. Just trying to catch this trying to catch the upwards momentum on gold. See how it's not quite doing what we needed to do as yet. And Q seems it wants to head higher. RTY. RTY may set back up for another buy. So we'll see. Not trading, yes. GC. Not quite. GC seems to have gone into a bit of a range. RTY. Okay, so oil looks like it wants to set up short. Oil looks like it wants to set up short, so I'll go over to oil. Sell stop limit.
Order submitted.
Let's see.
Order filled.
So we are in short on oil. Let's see what gold did. Gold didn't set up. RTY didn't set up. NQ didn't set up. So we got gold. Let's see. So we're now short on oil level. Not really a fan of being short here with the 200 right there. Got the previous lows. You know what? I got 85.97. 85.97, so let's do 86.
Order submitted.
Let's do 86.58. 58.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Put an order. Put an alert out at 86. Let's see. Where were the lows? It's not quite the lows today, so that's alright. Okay. Let's see. GC. What's GC doing? GC still hanging around here. RTY threatens to head higher. Still looking to RTY to see what he wants to do here. So looking to pick up 20 points on 20 points on targeting a DCL here on CL. Let's see, so looking for that move down to 86. Got that 200 period right there. A bit concerned about the 200 period here. I want to give it enough time, but at the same time, that 200 period is concerning me a little bit. You know what? Stick to the plan. So we'll see. Maybe prices will come into this 200 period turnaround. So we do have these previous lows around 86.07. Target's at 86, sorry. So we do have to be aware that we could see buyers step back in there. So got previous lows, 200 period, all potential bounce areas. You know what? For some reason I'm still holding this, thinking we're going to break through the 200 and the previous lows to get down to 86. May not be the best thing to think. Okay, let's see. GC, no. RTY, no. NQ, no. Nothing's really setting up at the minute. This isn't really looking that good. If we close bullish here, might as well get out.
Order filled.
So buyers came back in off that 200 and the previous lows, so I just get out. Multiple factors for a possible bounce. Probably should have, in hindsight. Okay, gold looks like it wants to set up for a short. I haven't had a look at VIX in a while. VIX is neutral to buy, so VIX is ranging a little bit here. Let's see. Gold. Look at that. So oil starting to sell back. Goodness me. Wow. Okay, RTY staying up for a short. Target would have been hit on CL, so if we would have kept the trade rather than get out, the target would have been hit. GC. So RTY signal. NQ's a fair bit away from setting up. Not a fan of where NQ sets up either. Not really a fan. So gold. Seems to want to set up for a short. What else is setting up? Possibly oil. But I'm not sure if I want to. After the buyers came back in, I'm not sure if I want to. Wow, gold is selling quite a bit here. Okay, time to decide. RTY. Okay, we're gonna go with RTY short. Like we're shorting right into the 200.
Order submitted.
Well, system says to go short, so hold on a sec. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so there's an RTY short. There's a gold short.
Order filled.
So stop limit.
Order submitted.
Oh. So they ask us.
Order
Yeah,
submitted.
so they ask.
Order filled.
So I'm now short RTY and short gold. Short RTY, short gold. Let's see. Target on RTY 72.7.
Order submitted.
Stop is 96.6.
Order submitted.
Gold. Oh, goodness me. 55.4. 55.4.
Order submitted.
And the target is 21.5.
Order submitted.
Don't know if either of these are going to work. No idea. Zero idea at all. let's see, so oil, lower day is 84.69. Let's see, what's the low here? 98. So 97 on oil. 97. There we go. Sell stop limit.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, so we're in on oil. Let's see. Let's get out of 54 if we can get 54 on oil. If we can get 54 on oil.
Order
let's take it
submitted.
there. GC still negative. So where am I short on RTY? So we're still hanging around that 200 period. Target would be through the low of the day. Let's see, where's NQ? Q is threatening to head higher. We're at 70 on oil. Looking for that move down to 54 on oil. So we're at 69. So let's put order out at 55, 68, 66. So by 11 ticks away. Let's see, are there any potential hiccups? Doesn't appear to be, but we are pulling back a bit. GC still struggling a little bit here. RTY still want to see more movement to the downside on RTY. CL, where was the S stop? Stop was at E688, A6, 88.
Order submitted.
So seeing this pullback here on oil, it's not working in my favor. RTY not also working in my favor. Q is heading higher. So back above that 200. Seems like we want to close above that 200. There's RTY. Okay. Trying to stay patient here. Really trying to stay patient. hindsight, should we have taken 30 cents on oil? Or should we continue to wait for that, the level? The level's at 54. Got a DCL at 54. That's what I'm targeting by putting my target at 55. What about it? 72. Let's put it at 78.7. Maybe. 78.7? Yeah, 78.7. I'm just going to move this up a bit to 78.7. That's poor risk reward. It's poor risk reward. Not a fan of what gold is doing at the moment. Ah, come on. RTY threatened to head lower, now it's going higher. Seeing poised to head down to that 82.1. And then all of a sudden, it's turned itself around. What's MQ doing? Q's pulling back a little bit. So oil seems to want to head lower. Not a fan of what gold is doing though. Not a fan. So we're at 66 again on oil. Seems we just broke it by a tick or two. So we're at 61. Again, we're looking for that move down to 55. So we're at 63, 61. I think we just got 58. There we go. 57, 2 ticks away. Goodness me, 2 ticks away. Oh, we got to 56. 1 tick away. Wow. So we got to 56. We're at 59, 58. Goodness me, that's just hanging around a bit too much for my liking. This is probably where I'm gonna trail my stop down to 70 because it's just 1 tick away. Probably should have just closed the position, but it's 1 tick away. I'm already in a hole already on the day, so goodness me.
Order filled.
There we go, target was hit.
Order cancelled.
Prices followed through to the downside. Problem is GC's going up. RTY is selling a bit here, which is good. There is a level down at 82.1. Let's see, 82.1. What's NQ doing? NQ's threatening to head higher. Is it going to drag RTY with it? Gold. Just can't seem to find sellers at the moment. I think I might have to get out of this gold trade, because we've had the lows again, usually sell off, inverted hammer. Get out of this.
Order filled.
Just looks like it's going to reverse here. Just looks like it's going to reverse. So locked in that loss on gold. Still holding this RTY. Looking for a move down here. Do have that 82.1. That's where I'm thinking if I should just take profit there at that 82.1, especially as we're around this 200 period, 5 minute 200. You know what?
Order filled.
It's gonna get out. It's gonna get out. We're around this 5 minute 200 here, so just respect the 5 minute 200. It may go down to 82.1, but it's gonna get out. So GC, we got out there. Didn't like the way this looked, so stay out for the moment. Okay, so on oil, saw that follow through that 54, seeing that buying come back in. Is here not really saying no. Back to NQ. What's NQ doing? NQ is pretty much consolidating on the VWAP here and that 200 period. I just realized on one of my charts here I haven't got the 200 on. Let's put that on there. Let's see, 200 is showing itself to be important, so sitting on the 200 period and the VWAP here, as well as at 297 level, so there is a potential to bounce off this, use it as a springboard to head up towards that 239. There is a possibility here. I'm not sure if I want to use that as a rationale for a trade, but there's a possibility. Let's see. So we're currently flat. Currently flat now. A lot of indecision here. We can see the wicks on the high side and the low side. A lot of wicks. So there's no clear direction here. If anything, the RTY relative strength is stronger than the NQ. So I may think about taking a long here on RTY. There's a bit of risk involved. Failure to head lower. Just going to take a
Order
long
filled.
on RTY. Let's see if we can get up to this level here, 89.95. So we'll go 89.94.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get up there. Looking for that bounce off that 200 to that very next level. Of course, this market could just simply fake out, turn around. But I'm just gonna look for
Order submitted.
this bounce off these 200. Seem to have consolidated there for a little bit. Had an attempt to go lower, failed. Attempt to go lower, made it a higher low right there. Seeing this move through those highs, so just looking for prices to go back up to the very next level here. Of course, I could be wrong, and this trade isn't part of our system here, but we'll see. GC, looking like a good decision to have gotten out here. You see markets going around, turning around higher. More selling on oil. See, it's threatened higher, more selling. So let's just put a RTY 89.4. Let's put a alert out there at 89.4. Who knows if we can get there. See, so we're having some strong buying here on NQ as well, off that 200 period. So I'm just gonna go long on NQ as well.
Order filled.
Hopefully it's not like a false move. Try and
Order
take it out
submitted.
at 37.50. Just below. Just below that key level at 38. So I've seen prices consolidate here, threatened to head lower, failed. So we're seeing a lot of buying off this 97.25. So just gonna go long there. Do have to be aware of that 32 level. Let's see, RTY, where are we? Got to 87.6. Again, we're looking for that 89.4. RTY, looking for that 89.4. Seeing that
Order
follow through
filled. Order
there.
filled.
Got to 88 point. Oh, looks like about 89 right there. Let's see. Yeah, we got to 89. So 4 ticks away from my target. What was that sound? What? No way. No way did the NQ hit target. Oh wow, NQ hit target. Let's see. Yep, NQ hit target. Okay. So NQ hit target. RTY, we're looking for RTY to hit target here. With NQ hitting target, pulling back.
Order filled.
And we're gonna go 35.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can get 35. Let's see if we can have prices head back up towards where we just pulled back from. Again, big risk considering that it's a sell level. Let's see if we can get back up there towards 35. I'm just gonna put, oh goodness, maybe at 28. Let's see, I'll have to change the chart down to probably say a 5-second chart. 5-second chart, and the target's at 35. Let's see, 35 right there. See if that gets filled. 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the 5-minute. Let's see.
Order filled.
Okay, target got filled again right there. So got 2 trades right there on NQ. Looking to target that 38 level. Those have worked in my favor. RTY. RTY is hanging around a little bit too much here. Gonna put my stop to break even. Just because we've realized our gains right there. Don't want to give up too many in terms of realized gains. Again, looking for that move up towards that 89.4. Did say RTY, we're looking at it for its relative strength. We're seeing gold here continue its move higher, so it was a right decision to get out when we did, otherwise we'd be underwater a fair bit here. Oil's come down into those lows, still seem to be holding at 54 at the moment. RTY is 88.5, about 10 ticks away from our target. Just hanging around a bit too much for my liking here on RTY. Shouldn't want to see it make a new low, so we just trailed our stop up, so we lock in 6 ticks. Not sure why it's hanging around, considering that he had stronger relative strength in comparison to NQ, and we've seen NQ rally quite a bit, fair bit. So we're at 88.8, 88.9, so that's 5 ticks away. You know what, we're gonna just trail up to the open of the candle, 86.4, 87.6, so we've locked in about 10 ticks right there. Looking for that move up again. I'm not sure why this is just hanging around here. Why it's just hanging around. Let's see, up to 89, 89.1, that's about 3 ticks away. Let's move up our target right there to 88.
Order filled.
There we go, target hit. So we're
Order
going to close
cancelled.
that position right there. Make sure we don't have any more pending orders in the system. And let's see, so I think that's it. Don't have any orders in. Make sure. What's this? Get rid of that order. There's an order there. What instrument is that? Let's see, orders remaining, cancel pending, GC. I'll just press cancel. Why isn't this order cancelling? So we've run up towards that, is this RTY? Yeah, RTY, run up to that level, NQ, had that level, wow, incredible, absolutely incredible. Seeing that big turnaround there on NQ, oh my word, wow, incredible. So there definitely was a re-entry long right there for a move up towards the highs, but I didn't take it. So using the VWAP, the 200 period as a hammer, seemed to have worked right here today. Again, initially came off the trade idea of put the executions on of this 200 holding here on the RTY. I think I made a mistake of a 200, so there was a long there. What do we do here? Buy. We had a buy here. We had to close it. We had a short here. Closed it for a loss. CL. Oh, this one here. We had the short, came into the 200 periods, closed it after we closed bullish. Had a short after that, and that hit target. So, seeing this move here to the high side on NQ, very strong move. Right there to retest the would it be the highs a day? It would be. Yeah, retest the highs a day. But early in from this trade idea here, hit target a couple of times. 42, got up to 59. Very good move right there. Up to 60, beyond even 60. So, it's been a very good move. But here's what it is. Let's have a look here. Let's see what else is saying up. Go over to RTY. There is possibly a long setup on RTY coming up. Retaking that 45.4 here on so we're going to be about flat on gold at the moment after threatening lower. We're about flat where we are. Of course, beyond that there's that 200 period above us sitting at 48. We've got the 200 sitting at 48, so got this choppy area here where a lot of volume was conducted. CL starting to see that move back off that 54 there, so we've had to move down to 54, wick through, close below, threatened lower on this candle but was immediately bought back up, and we've seen that buying here come back in, look to take us up towards that 86 here off that 54. So yeah, looking for that 85.97. Oh, don't have it marked out on this chart. 85.97. Let's see, how do we do this? Template, load, DCL, load, apply. Okay, so there we are. I'm up towards that 85.97 right there. Real good move. Really good move right there. Real solid. So we've had prices test at 47.8, pulling back a little bit here on gold. So pulling back a little bit after testing at 47.8. Seeing poised to test that 200 period right there. More alerts kicking off. Let's see what these alerts are. Alerts telling me, look at VIX. Wow, VIX is to the buy side. So VIX is to the buy side, but we were already in the trades on NQ and so on. So back to NQ, my word, let's have a look. NQ broke the highs of the day. Let's see. So wow, look at that. NQ broke high of the day by about 7 points. So there was a entry above that 40 level. There was an entry to go long. That would have been good for 30 plus points, but it's not to be. I think I'm going to wrap it up there. About 1 hour today. As you can see, those were our gains. So using the 5-minute charts seem to be working for me at the moment. So yeah, we're just going to keep it simple. Again, we're trading. We're looking to stop before 11 a.m. New York. At the moment it's 10:30, so we're going to be thankful for our gains so far, and we're going to call it a day right here and wrap up the video. So if you like the video, think about liking,